Learn Gujarati feelings verbs. To like, love, hate and
નક્કી કરવું.
a friendly start. Hey, you are here to make Gujarati stick in your brain, and possibly also in your soul. Today you will learn feelings, wishes, and decisions without needing a dramatic soap opera, although we may accidentally create one. Meet our star learner, Sam. Sam wakes up, looks at tea, looks at coffee, looks at life, and immediately has emotions. Sam says, I.
ગમવું.
Tea, I.
પ્રેમ કરવો.
Weekends, I.
નફરત કરવી.
Alarm clocks, and I really.
આનંદ માણવો.
Sleeping in. Then Sam looks out the window and says, I.
આશા રાખવી.
For sunshine, I.
ઈચ્છવું.
A giant breakfast, I have.
રસ હોવો.
In learning Gujarati, and now I must.
નક્કી કરવું.
Whether to study first or eat first. Honestly, this is the most educational crisis possible. The breakfast of emotions. Let us start where all deep philosophy begins, breakfast. Listen for the key Gujarati words and imagine the scene. Sam enters the kitchen like a hero entering a temple. On the table, mango, toast, spicy snacks, and one suspicious banana. Sam points at the mango and says, I.
ગમવું.
This. Simple, friendly, mango approved. Then Sam sees fresh sweet chai and whispers, I.
પ્રેમ કરવો.
This. Stronger than like, also stronger than self-control. But then Sam bites the suspicious banana and makes a face so dramatic that nearby pigeons feel judged. Sam says, I.
નફરત કરવી.
This banana. A plate of hot food arrives, and suddenly Sam smiles again. Now I.
આનંદ માણવો.
Breakfast. The emotional recovery is inspiring. While eating, Sam says, I.
આશા રાખવી.
There is more dessert. Then Sam closes both eyes like a poet in a bakery and says, I.
ઈચ્છવું.
2 more mangoes. Finally, Sam opens a Gujarati phrasebook and says, I have.
રસ હોવો.
In these new words. Then comes the hardest challenge of the day. 1 more cup of chai or immediate studying? Sam must.
નક્કી કરવું.
Tension. Music. A crow watches. Like, love, hate. Now you will hear the 3 big emotional cousins, like, love, and hate. One is polite, one is intense, and one should probably not be used for broccoli unless you really mean it. To like, in Gujarati is.
ગમવું.
Think. A warm thumbs up from your heart. Love is.
પ્રેમ કરવો.
Bigger feeling, bigger heart, possibly bigger playlist. Hate is.
નફરત કરવી.
Strong negative emotion. Use with care, not with every small inconvenience like missing 1 French fry. Example. I.
ગમવું.
Music. Nice and light. Example. I.
પ્રેમ કરવો.
This song. Now the heart has entered the chat. Example. I.
નફરત કરવી.
Loud noise. Fair, very fair. Funny memory trick. A tiny heart says.
ગમવું.
A giant heart in sunglasses says.
પ્રેમ કરવો.
And a grumpy cat with crossed paws says.
નફરત કરવી.
Enjoy, hope, wish. These 3 words give your Gujarati more color. You are not just reacting now, you are living, dreaming, and dramatically expecting snacks. Enjoy is.
આનંદ માણવો.
This is active pleasure. You are not just okay with the moment. You are really in it. Hope is.
આશા રાખવી.
This looks forward. It says, maybe something good is coming. Wish is.
ઈચ્છવું.
This is desire, the little or big thing your heart asks for. Sam says, I.
આનંદ માણવો.
Good music. Sam says, I.
આશા રાખવી.
For rain. Sam says, I.
ઈચ્છવું.
A holiday with snacks and no emails. An advanced human wish. Quick difference.
આશા રાખવી.
Is hope for the future.
ઈચ્છવું.
Is the wish or desire itself.
આનંદ માણવો.
Is enjoying what is happening now. Interested or just pretending. Now for a very useful phrase. Sometimes you are fascinated. Sometimes you nod politely while your brain is thinking about samosas. The Gujarati expression for to be interested is
રસ હોવો.
imagine your mind leaning forward. Sam says, I have.
રસ હોવો.
In art, I have.
રસ હોવો.
In music, I definitely have.
રસ હોવો.
In food. Excellent priorities. If you want a memory trick, think of curiosity as a magnet. The topic is over there, and your brain goes, ooh, which is basically the emotional shape of
રસ હોવો.
decision time. At some point, feelings are not enough. You must choose. You must act. You must stop staring at the menu for 40 minutes. The Gujarati phrase for to decide is
નક્કી કરવું.
Sam stands at a crossroads. Study Gujarati now or watch videos of dancing parrots first. Sam says, I must.
નક્કી કરવું.
Quote. This word is about making the decision, locking it in, ending the wobble. Example. We want to.
નક્કી કરવું.
Together. Another example. It is hard to.
નક્કી કરવું.
Quickly. Yes, especially when both desserts look innocent. Mini dialogue drama. You are ready for a short scene. Listen once for fun and once to catch the target words. A. Do you?
ગમવું.
This cafe? B. Yes, I.
ગમવું.
It. Actually, I.
પ્રેમ કરવો.
The chai here. A. Really? I.
નફરત કરવી.
The loud blender. It sounds like an angry helicopter. B. True, but I still.
આનંદ માણવો.
The atmosphere. A. I.
આશા રાખવી.
They bring snacks soon. B. I.
ઈચ્છવું.
That too. A. Are you really that into cafes? B. Yes, I have.
રસ હોવો.
In people watching, languages, and pastry research. A. Then let us.
નક્કી કરવું.
To stay. B. Best decision of the day. Quick recall challenge. Your turn. I will give the English and you try to say the Gujarati before hearing it. To like.
ગમવું.
Love.
પ્રેમ કરવો.
Hate.
નફરત કરવી.
Enjoy.
આનંદ માણવો.
Hope.
આશા રાખવી.
Wish.
ઈચ્છવું.
To be interested.
રસ હોવો.
To decide.
નક્કી કરવું.
A friendly finish. Nice work. You just learned a whole emotional toolkit in Gujarati, and nobody even made you memorize it while standing on one leg. Unless you want to. That is your decision. Today you practiced.
ગમવું. પ્રેમ કરવો. નફરત કરવી. આનંદ માણવો. આશા રાખવી. ઈચ્છવું. રસ હોવો.
And.
નક્કી કરવું.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, use the words in tiny real sentences, and come back again soon. You are doing great, and Gujarati is already starting to.
ગમવું.
You back.